Hello, we're going to start this program with the basic code, and I'm going to clear it out. It's nice to start new programs clearing it out so then we have a blank screen. And so once we have that, then we want to draw our slug. We could pick any starting spots for our slug, but I am just going to pick some, and we're going to use lists and lists of lists like we have in the last few things for that. I'm going to start them at 2, 4. And then it's going to be 3, 4, and 4, 4. Now once we have that, that's our slug. And we need to color them a color. Let's have them white, 255 all around. That's great. So now we have a, a place defined where it's going to be, and we have the color white. So we can say, uh, well, we can say for I in slug. So slug there. So for I in, we are used to saying I in range, and it would go from 0 to 8. For I in slug, what it does is it takes the first element, the second element, the third element, and it does whatever you have in here to that. We'll do sense dot set pixel, and then we're going to have I of the first element, and then I of the second element. And remember, the second element is 1 because they start counting at 0. And we're going to call that white. So now when I run this, it just has those 3 pieces right there. So it goes through, it takes the first one, and it colors the, the first and second element white. And then for iron slug, it just goes to the next one and does the same thing, and so on and so on. Now that's great. We have it drawn. Now it's nice to have things like this in a definition. So let's define draw slug, and it's not going to take any parameters. So if we call draw slug, it will draw that picture.